In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Asana and create tasks from starred emails. We'll start by getting the Asana add-on working inside Gmail. Then I'll show you how to turn any email into an Asana task. And finally, we'll talk about automating tasks from starred emails using Zapier. Begin in Gmail. Look at the right-hand sidebar and click the plus icon to open the add-ons marketplace. In the search bar, type Asana for Gmail, then select it and click Install. During setup, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Asana account. Approve the requested permissions and complete the installation. When it's done, you should see the Asana icon appear on the right side of Gmail. If you don't see it right away, refresh your inbox. Also note that if the right panel is collapsed, use the small arrow at the bottom to expand it. If you're on a managed work account and the marketplace is restricted, you may need admin approval. Now let's create a task from an email. Open any message you want to track. Click the Asana icon in the right sidebar to open the add-on. Choose the correct workspace, then pick the project where you want the task to live. You can edit the task's title, set a due date, assign it to the right teammate, and add a clear description. When everything looks good, click Create Task. The email becomes a task in Asana, and the email body and any attachments are included automatically. A quick tip: keep the task title concise so it's easy to scan in project views, and use the description to capture key context or next steps. If you don't see a teammate in the assignee field, make sure they have access to the project in that workspace. For hands-free creation from starred emails, this isn't built into Gmail or Asana directly, but you can automate it with Zapier. All you need is your Gmail account, your Asana account, and a free Zapier account. With that setup, Zapier can watch for emails you star and create matching tasks in your chosen Asana project. This approach is great for quick triage. Star an email now, handle the task later in Asana. As you get comfortable, you can fine-tune your automation to match your workflow and avoid noise. That's it. You've connected Gmail to Asana, learned how to turn emails into actionable tasks, and explored a simple way to automate tasks from starred messages. If something doesn't appear in Asana, double-check your workspace and project selection, refresh Gmail, and verify permissions. Thanks for watching, and happy